In this video, we will show you how to make keyboard bigger on Android smartphone. As you can see here, the default keyboard on Android is maybe your Android is teeny like this, and it's very difficult when we type, especially if our hand is bigger than the others. Okay, you can see the size of this keyboard is approximately here. And how to make the keyboard on Android bigger? Just go to your settings on Android smartphone. You can go to settings. For example, this is my settings. And in here, you can scroll down. Okay. In here, my Android smartphone have additional settings that contain to set the keyboard layout. Just click the settings, and in here select the menu, language and input. Almost of Android smartphone has this menu. Just try to find keyboard menu or language and input menu. Okay, something similar like this, and click here, and you can see my input method is using Google Keyboard or Gboard in here. Okay, just manage keyboard, and you can see here there is Gboard. You can click this to choose the preference. Okay, click the Gboard because our input method is using Gboard. And to make Android bigger, we can select preference in here. Okay, and scroll down. In here there is menu keyboard height. There is have the option and extra tall. This is the biggest, so let's try to apply using extra tall, and let's see the difference. Okay, we already choose the extra tall. You can see there, if before our keyboard is just in here, the height now become almost with line with this icon. Okay, you can see there. And optional, you can also change the font size. You can go to your settings, and this is optional. You can type font. Okay, you can see there is text size to display the font. Just click this, and you can select the biggest font in here. Okay, try to find the font settings, and you can set the font in the biggest size. And that's all tutorial how to make keyboard bigger on Android smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you.